Toisen korvan kanssa.
Today, I'm turning Taylor Swift into a greater rapper than Kanye West. I'm going to be taking Taylor Swift's new song, Father Figure, and turning it into a rap song. Let's start by tracking the track into FL Studio. I'm going to pitch this up by 6 cents so that we don't get copyright strikes. I think that's how this works. Now we can see that the tempo of the track is 94 beats per minute. So let's change the project tempo up here. Now let's move it so that it sits on beat. Now we can go here and we can go to extract stems from sample and we can extract the vocals.
When I found you, you were young.
Great, so now we've got the vocals, let's start working on the melody and the chord progression. Let's open up a Grain X4 and let's take a pad preset. Now we know we're in the key of B minor, so let's start with a B minor chord. Let's also set this to stretch mode and let's speed up the tempo of the project. I'm going to set this to around 140 beats per minute. Yeah, these sound good. Let's start working straight on the drums actually. I want to get a bounce down first of all. You guys hate when I do this, but I'm going to lay my drums out in the playlist. Laying drums out in the playlist is so good for having control over where they start and end.
When I found you, you were young. We were lost in the cold.
Now let's do the hi-hats inside the playlist.
When I found you, you were young. We were lost in the cold.
Proud chant. Yeah, that's fire. Some
You
guys already know what we're doing with this. We're going to work with this. We're going to automate this somehow. And a little RC20 for some reverb and, well, just reverb really. Right, now time for a crazy thermal. That first thermal was just a chill thermal. This is a crazy thermal. Yeah, that's dope. Edison, render. Yeah. This is hard. It sounds trash, but just trust me. Just trust me. Also, this sounds nothing like hip hop right now. Again, just trust me. Let's add some little gates. Right, we got the drums down. Let's go on to our chords and melody. Right, guys, I've realized the vocal at the end sounds better than the vocal at the beginning, so we're gonna switch it out.
I was your father figure. We drank that brown liquor.
Can we make something that sounds really, really unique? We're gonna find some kind of melodic one shot. Oh, this is cool.
I was your father.
Right, let's open a Grain X4 and let's find a key preset. Famous presets, or Space Cadet key. Okay, we can work with this. Scale highlighting, let's go with B minor so we can see what notes we're using. Right, we got some kind of melody here. This is really not a typical hip hop or trap melody or chord progression. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to make something unique. We've got another Grain X4. Let's add a bass line. Another Grain X4. Now let's take some kind of bell. Yeah. Right, let's turn the reverb off of both of these so that we can combine them. RC20 retro color. Yeah, I think this sounds dope. I want to add something to this bass to make it sound fat. Some thermal again. Right, we need some kind of lead for this hook section. Let's add a Grain X4 where we can add a super cool glitchy lead. I have these dope morph presets inside, which use this morph mode and glitch mode to make the sound really glitchy. Yeah, this sounds cool. Let's send it to this track too. And let's turn off the reverb inside. Oh, we can add this thing finally. Right, we're gonna add one more chant. Oh my god, that's loud.
Toisen korvan kanssa olet tuur.
Ah, this is goated. Right, let's just start adding a load of chants to kind of fill out this background section of the beat. The funniest part about this is some guy is in the studio recording this. That is the best sound I've ever heard on Splice, hands down. Right, let's lay this up with another pad. And by another pad, I mean the only pad because we haven't used a pad yet. Multi-samples, pads. This one. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, this one. Turn the attack down. Now let's add some textures in Omnisphere. Textures, playable. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's dope. We're gonna start switching up the vocals a little bit. Okay, we're gonna leave Taylor how she is. Guys, I think we're done. Yeah, I don't think this sounds bad, but you guys can let me know what you think in the comments. This is a hard challenge, by the way. This is nothing like just putting a rap vocal over a beat. Anyway, I'm yapping. Here's how the final beat sounds. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. By the way, if you want to download my plugin, Grain X4, it's currently 50% off and linked in the description of this video. So definitely make sure to check it out.
We were lost in the cold. Pulled up to you in the track. Turned your